Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful smoky gown. So I'll be using a direct rep for this. This is 2 yards and 8 inches. For Ankara, I think you need 2.5 yards depending on the size that you're working with, but I'm working with a size 12 to 16. So the bust circumference is 44 divided by 4, that is 11. 11 plus extra 4 inches for the smoky and another extra 2 inches for allowance. I'm showing you this if you want to be specific about the size. You know, I said earlier that I'll be working with a size 12 to 16. So for that, I just need to cut 1 yard for the front panel and 1 yard for the back panel. So I'll be minusing 6 inches for the strand. The smoky will stop at 16 inches. So I forgot to minus 1 inches for the hemming on the top of the gown. So this is it here. You minus 1 inches like so. So you hem it. You see how I did it. You take it to your machine and sew it neatly. So from that 1 inches, you put your tape rule 6 inches like so. You place your tape rule 6 inches like so, and you mark your 16 inches, then half inches for allowance, that's 16.5. So I'll be working with a size 60, length 60. So I don't need to cut it. I'll hem the bottom. I don't need to reduce the length. So this is me marking the 1 inch I minus for the hemming. Then from that side, you minus from the 1 inch, you minus you mark half inch down to the 16 inches for the smoky, so it can align properly and neatly. So this is how you do it. That's for beginners. So this is how you do it. And if you want to do it like so, just to align and make your knitting your sewing very neat. This is beginner friendly for those that don't know how to reel a smoky thread. You can either use your hand or your machine, either way. So this is how the sewing is going. You sew on half inches from one end to the other end. So this is how it is. You can see how the smoky is coming together. So beautiful. For the strand, we'll be needing 3 by 13 inches. So we'll go to our machine. You take it to the machine and fold it in like so. To fix the strand, you mark 3.5 inches. You mark it like so, 3.5 inches on both sides, both front and back. The front and back panel, you mark 3.5 inches like so, and you fix it. You can see that the strand is 6 inches. So this is it again. You mark 3.5 inches and place your strand. You can see how it is placed neatly. So you place yours neatly like so on both sides. So for the pockets, for the breadth, 10 by 10 inches. So you fix it from where the smoky ends. 10 by 10 inches, fix it from where the smoky ends. I sewed 1 inches down to the bottom of the dress and hem it by half inches. So this is it. So beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you very much. For the new subscribers, you are welcome, and my returning subscribers, you are welcome. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how I made the jacket. Thank you. Bye bye.